Villa Escudero Plantations and Resort is located in Tiong, Quezon, Philippines, near the border of San Pablo City, Laguna. It is approximately a 2.5 to 3-hour drive from Metro Manila via the South Luzon Expressway, SLEX, and Maharlika Highway. Tour packages and rates. Villa Escudero offers day tour and overnight packages, each including different amenities and activities. Prices may vary, so it is recommended to check their official website or contact them for the latest rates. 1 day tour package. Inclusions: welcome drink upon arrival, access to the Labasine Waterfalls restaurant buffet lunch, Carabao drawn cart ride with live local music, bamboo rafting at Labasine Lake, entrance to the Villa Escudero Museum, showcasing historical and cultural artifacts, use of swimming pools and outdoor facilities, cultural show available on weekends and holidays. Estimated rates: adults, Philippine peso 1,602, Philippine peso 2,000 per person. Weekday versus weekend holiday rates. Children 3 to 6 years old, 50% off. Senior citizens and PWDs, discounted rates apply. 2 overnight packages for guests who want to stay longer. Villa Escudero offers traditional Nipa hut accommodations with modern amenities. Packages typically include overnight stay in air-conditioned or fan-cooled rooms, full board meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, access to all-day tour activities, additional relaxation time by the lake or pool. Estimated rates: prices start at Philippine peso 5,000 plus per night, depending on the room type and number of guests. AGREs our experience, enjoy and follow.
Kintab, no? Naka-lotion yan.
Apa baba?
Ito yung nabagsak. Dito tayo sa baba.
Nandito sila.
Dito sila kuya. Bukoy. Pala yun.
Oo, tingin. Larara. Ayan. Tingin ka na. Mamusot ka din. Doon tayo sa baba. Ay.
Nagdadagdag pa daw na ito niya.
Oh, kasama pa eh.
Boating bike.
Kasama pa eh. Kaya?
Ito na.
Tara daw.
Boating.
Kasama yan?
Sa dalawang tao. Okay, okay.
So dito, meron silang swimming pool. Ha? Baka mahulog ka ha? Si Biboy nag-glow. Yan, ando na sila, Kuya Biboy. Ang layo.
Ang laki ng pako. Ang laki ng pako.
Ako yan? Oo. Oo. Totoong pako yan? Oo. Oh guys, kung wala kayong ulam. Ako ba yun, di? Ingat. Wala na yung kinain natin. Wala ka nang magandang picture pala. Hindi naman picture yung ginawa mo.
Nakadog.
Pagod na din. Dalawa.
Ang bata sa ulo.
Ito si Ate Girl mala. Uy.
Uy, parang
Naguguliran mo na ah. Dali. Wow, si Kuya oh. Ano yung Kuya?
Ito naman yan, yan ang nangingipin na yan.
Ah, isda yun?
Oo, ma'am.
Ang laki.
Darpa?
At walang pera, ginawa ko na ang lahat ng mabuting paraan, nang mabuhay lang kita ng payapat iwasay, sa may hirapan kapalaran ay ganyan ay ikaw, walang hanap buhay, kaya nga aking